In this video, we're going to walk you through how to create shipping labels in Voila. Whether you're brand new to the platform or just need a quick refresher, you're in the right place. What you're looking at here is called the playground. And yes, it's just as fun as it sounds. It's a safe space to explore and test without needing tools like Postman or building complex request structures. Just drop in your request, hit play, and instantly see the results. Before you dive in, there's one thing you need to check. Make sure your API user and API token are correctly filled in. You'll find those in your Voila account. Copy, paste, and you're good to go. Now head over to the Create Label section of our API docs at api.heyvoila.io. Let's run through an example. Say you want to create a Royal Mail label. The request you see here is a test example, but don't worry, that's perfectly fine. Each courier has its own set of required fields. We call these the courier specifics. Not sure what courier specifics are? No problem. You'll find them in the courier specifics and presets section of our API docs. Each courier, like Royal Mail, has its own dedicated section explaining exactly what's required. Service level format, service code, and optional bits like a posting location. These are visible in the courier directory for each courier. Alright, let's go ahead and hit send request. Ta-da! You've just created a live Royal Mail label. Now jump into your Voila system, go to shipments, and there it is, the label we just created. Click it and it's ready to print, pack and post. Here you'll see a full breakdown including courier and service request date, recipient details, response results, tracking info, and whether it was successful. You can also cancel or renew the label directly from here. Want to go deeper? Click See Request to view exactly what you sent to the API and the response you got back. If you ever hit a snag, click copy log link and paste it into your support ticket. That gives our team all the info they need fast. Behind the curtain, Voila is doing something pretty clever. Click into the transaction request and you'll see the magic at work. You send us a clean, simple JSON request and we translate it into the courier's language. For Royal Mail, that means converting it to XML. They respond in code and Voila turns that into a fully formatted PDF label. Think of it like this: you speak English, we speak courier. And that's it. You've just created your first label and voila. Easy, right? Until next time, happy shipping with Voila.